In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of deactivating the AI Comment Moderator plugin license on your website. There are a few reasons why you might need to do this, such as updating your license key, transferring the license from a development site to a production, or preparing for a plugin reinstallation. Once logged into the website admin, click Moderation Settings under the Comments menu item. At the top of the plugin settings, locate the plugin license section with the current license details. To deactivate your license, simply click on the Deactivate License button. This action will remove the license from your website, making it available for use on another site or ready for a new key to be inserted. Please note, deactivating the license will render the AI Comment Moderator inactive until a new license key is inserted and activated. However, the plugin settings and configurations will be preserved during this period. You've now successfully deactivated your license. You can now update the license key, move it to a different site, or reinstall the plugin as needed.